It's arrived! The TyvaQuilt 0.18 or better re-roofing and new build system from Ecohome Insulation and TyvaQuilt Insulation UK. Are you tired of cutting Kingspan? For your next project, how thick will it need to be? What if you never had to cut Kingspan again, even when going through building control? Do you need to meet current building regulations, whilst you can also start saving on time, money and head height? Head height is one of the most important factors nowadays, and here's how TyvaQuilt can save you massively compared to a rigid board system. TyvaQuilt consists of 3 layers, a total of 100mm in material thickness. With a rigid board system, it's a minimum of 2 layers and a minimum of 150mm in thickness. Time is another important factor. TyvaQuilt on an average project would take around 5 hours to install, whereas a rigid board solution would be about 4 times this at around 20 hours, further increasing labour costs. This makes TyvaQuilt 4 times faster to fit and saves an extra 33% on head height. We will now show you exactly how to install a TyvaQuilt system onto rafters of 100mm in depth. We have a TyvaQuilt solution that can be installed in as little as 3 inches or 75mm of rafters to meet 0.18. In this demonstration, we've used 100mm or 4-inch rafters to meet building regs using the TyvaQuilt system. Starting by measuring your roof space, cut your Super Quilt LG to the correct length, allowing an extra inch or 2 to be safe. Then start at the bottom. The first layer of multifoil insulation is stapled direct to the underside of the rafters. The second run should be overlapped by a minimum of 50mm. Overlaps and edges should be sealed using Thermoseal aluminium foil tape supplied with the system. Step 2. Open the mineral wool to go above the quilt. In this demonstration, 75mm of Eco Green non-itch wool is rolled out from above to fit snugly between the roof rafters. The top layer of TyvaQuilt multifoil insulation incorporates a space-saving breathable membrane. Again, starting at the bottom of the rafters, the TyvaQuilt insulation is rolled out horizontally over the rafters and stapled into place. Ensure the foil is facing downwards. Optionally, you can use double-sided adhesive tape to secure your overlaps of TyvaQuilt until the subsequent layers are fitted. Again, repeat until the entire roof has been covered. If roof height is an issue, simply allow the breather quilt to sag down between the rafters. This sagging is important to create an air gap between the membrane and the tiles. This saves the time, cost and space of having to counterbatten the whole roof before fixing the tile battens. On the underside of the roof, battens can be quickly fitted to accept plasterboard if a room is being created inside. This basic demonstration is just a guide to show you how the system works. You can download the TyvaQuilt datasheet to see exactly how to insulate any roof in least space, fastest time and at lowest guaranteed cost. You can order the TyvaQuilt Roof Insulation system online at the lowest trade rates in the UK by visiting Ecohome-insulation.com or calling the SuperQuilt Trade Sales Team on 0114 323 0045.